Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find Cardano ADA wallet address on HTX. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your HTX application. Once you have logged into your HTX account, you need to click on assets at the bottom right corner. Now once you landed on this screen, you need to choose deposit option. From this list of currencies, you need to search for ADA in the search bar and select ADA Cardano. And after that you need to choose a network, so simply choose its own ADA Cardano network and always make sure to select same network on the receiving side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now click on this network and here you can see your Cardano ADA wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find Cardano ADA wallet address on HTX. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto